Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find your circle code on the Life360 app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll notice a gear icon there, which is your gateway to all the app's settings and management features. Go ahead and tap on this gear icon to proceed. This will open up your settings menu where you can access various options for managing your Life360 experience. Once you're in the settings menu, look for an option labeled Circle Management. This is where Life360 allows you to control everything related to your circles, including who's in them and how you share access. Tap on Circle Management to continue. This section is specifically designed to help you manage members and invite new people to join your location sharing group. Next, you'll see an option that says Add People to Circle. Go ahead and tap on this option. This is the key step because it's specifically designed to help you invite new members, and that's exactly where Life360 displays your unique circle code. By selecting this option, you're telling the app that you want to share your circle with someone new. Now, here's the important part. As soon as you tap Add People to Circle, your circle code will appear on the screen. This code is unique to your specific circle and serves as a secure way for others to request access to join your group. Think of it as a password or invitation key that you can share with family members or friends you want to add to your circle. Once the circle code is visible, you have the option to copy it directly. Simply tap on the code or look for a copy button nearby, and the code will be saved to your clipboard. From there, you can easily paste it into a text message, email, or any other messaging app to send it to the people you want to invite. This makes sharing access quick and convenient without having to manually type out the code. And that's it, you've successfully located your Life360 circle code, and you're now ready to share it with others so they can join your circle. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.